What's up, Damians? Handa na ba kayo, Damians, para sa Sidlak 2025? Come and join us in our first day of intramural training. Tara na!
Before we started with the parade assembly and the preparation for the Sidlak 2025, we attended the Eucharistic Mass at the Gymnasium of NDMC. And you can see that many students and teachers have participated the Mass.
The students are preparing for the parade, and as you can see, they are very excited.
So hello, good afternoon everyone. We have here alongside me the Mother Majorette of the Drum and Lyre Corps of Notre Dame of Midsayap. So what's your name po?
My name is Pia Azumi V. Pagoyod. But you just can call me Pia for short.
Okay. So I saw your performance in the Drum and Lyre at the gym. It was very wonderful and very alive. So did you enjoy your performance?
Yes, I enjoy it, but at the same time I feel nervous because it's my first time of being a mother, and I'm still adjusting to it.
Okay, but are there some obstacles while you are practicing your drum and lyre?
Yes, some of them are very hard, but in the meantime, you can masanay mo na.
Okay. So, hagok niya po no, pero nag-enjoy.
Opo.
Okay. So, that's all. And thank you po for your participation. Thank you.
At ngayon, makikita natin dito ang CCJE colors at mga sandalo na sumunod para sa pag-open ng parade. At meron din dito ang ating Drum and Lyre Corps of NDMC. Now, as you can see, ang gaganda ng kanilang robes, costumes, and very alive ang kanilang music and entry.
Let's welcome the candidates of Grey Griffins. And now we have Golden Phoenix. Let's welcome their candidates for Mr. and Miss Sidlak. Next up, Red Vermilions. So as you can see, they are very happy and excited and very proud to show their king. Let's welcome the candidates of Red Vermilions. Lastly, we have SSG.
Boa noite, povo, que eu cheguei. Mais outra vez apresenta meu baianá. Eu vou cantar com muita alegria. Vou apresentar essas baianas da Maria.
Hi everyone! So, paadto namin sa mga booths ng mga different among classmates. Let us now see kung gaano sila ka-ready. Hi! Good luck, good luck. From St. Ignatius of Loyola. Shout out.
Check out the awesome booths, each team showing off their creativity and spirit. From designs to colors, every booth is full of life and energy. Every booth tells a story of teamwork, talent, and pride.
Hi guys! So, as you can see ngayon, kasama ko po ang representative or candidate ng Red Vermilions. And, apakaganda niya talaga guys. So po, can I ask po
Hello po, good morning everyone. I am Good morning Aba. Good afternoon everyone. I'm Trisha Abuado Caballo from Red Vermilions.
So, ate, can I ask po if are you enjoying po for day 1 of Sinlang 2025?
Yes, super enjoy ko kami this year's Sinlang 2025. Kasi po, as you can see the people guys, as you can see the people, di ba? Napaka-enjoy and ang sarap ng welcome ng Sinlang 2025 this year. Thank you.
So, ate, can you kung ano yung mga prepare niyo sa black niyo?
Close na kasi kami guys, as you can see, close na po kami. So, ito yung aming ito yung aming ano guys, menu. So meron kami, available po ito mamayang hapon and tomorrow po. So meron po kaming brownies, meron din po kaming super patok po sa masa, scramble po, pasok na po kayo mga suki. And then meron din po kami yung golden toast and chicken pastel. Yun lang po.
So, parang sasarap talaga yung mga menus nila. And, Damians, if you want to try them, punta lang po kayo dito sa booth nila. Thank you.
So guys, here we are with Anisha, one of the member of Vlogger, and she's also a member of the Hamsi Art Club, and she knows how to do face paint at the same time. So guys, makikita nyo na grabe ang preparation and efforts ng mga college students. Very authentic ang kanilang mga props and very aesthetic. They are very pretty and gorgeous, of course.
This is the Sadam band. They are performing for Sidlak. And as you can see, this is the college supporting their teams. And they are very happy.
Students have...
Are you ready, Red Vermilions? Ready!
So, first performer of Field Demo is the Grey Griffins. Grabe. Nakaka-shock ang kanilang performance. It is very nice. And next performer is the Red Vermilions. Very nice din ang kanilang performance, guys. Talagang hindi magpapatalo ang Red Vermilions.
Iniipit mo si sigarilyo mo habang nilulusan mo yung mga pera pinadala ko.
Here we have guys is the Golden Phoenix, our last performers, and wow, talagang napakaganda din ng kanilang performance at talagang lumalaban din sila. So, ito na ang performance ng ating college students, diba? Nakikita nyo talaga ang mga props nila. Napakaganda ng kanilang props.
So guys, that's a wrap for today. See you tomorrow for day 2 from your Bye-bye! Bye!